Today I'm in Staten Island at the law firm of William J. Golding. And Billy, it's great to see you.
You too, Frank.
Thanks. So we have some real estate tips to share today. But before we do that, tell us about your firm and your legal services.
Well, my firm is a fully staffed law office with 2 paralegals and 2 attorneys. We specialize in transactional work such as real estate closings, real estate leases, wills, trusts, estates, and general business law.
So we can see some challenges in the real estate market right now. If you're a seller and you're looking to trade up, it can be quite costly. Because if you're taking a mortgage, knowing what the interest rates are and they're high, it's going to cost a bit. And if you're a buyer, you can see that there's not much inventory on the market, not much to choose from. So what we're seeing now, Billy, is that a lot of buyers are waiving their home inspections, which I don't normally recommend. But from a legal aspect, for somebody that's looking to do that, what would you advise them to do?
There are only a handful of circumstances where I would advise a client that that would be a good idea. You know, one would be if they plan on knocking the house down and rebuilding another one. The other being someone who is a construction professional. But your average buyer who's coming in, I advise them not to do it because they don't know what they're getting themselves into. And it does 2 things. It protects them as well as me and you as the realtor.
Right, and there's a lot of lawsuits going on in the country right now.
Unfortunately, in New York, we are able to do our inspections prior to contract. So at the very least, I would insist on my client having someone that they trust in the construction industry walk through the house. And they would sign a waiver that I prepare, and that waiver is in plain English, which is meant to scare the hell out of them.
Billy, I appreciate your time today. Thank you for the tips. And if anybody is looking for legal services, buying, selling, how can they contact you?
Our phone number here is 718-227-5260.